Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. Today we have Baileys, strawberries and cream, ice cream. So here we go. Baileys, one of the most famous alcohol brands in the world, now in an ice cream form. It's owned by Diageo. They own like Captain Morgan, Johnny Walker and many other famous alcohol brands. And here it says Baileys and Corporation under license. The company who actually makes the ice cream is some German company, DMK Ice GmbH. So yeah, it's not actually made by Diageo, they just license the logo. And this one has alcohol inside 0.6%, so I don't think anybody will get drunk eating this. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see how it tastes like. I never had this kind of alcohol ice cream before. Sealed nicely with Baileys logo. Look at this. Looks so yummy. Can't wait to taste this. It's time for the truth. Let's see if Baileys strawberries and cream taste any good. The smell, really great. I can smell the strawberry here. But how is the taste? Let's see. It's melted up really nicely. Let's take a big chunk. Here we go. Baileys ice cream. It's actually tasting like the Baileys alcohol. How is this possible? Really creamy flavor. They didn't lie when they put strawberries and cream. Just like the Baileys alcohol. The cream, it's all about the cream in the alcohol. And here, I can taste the cream. And it's good. Seems like they have small pieces of maybe white chocolate here. Or is this the cream? I see some white things over here. I don't know if you can see it, but some small white things. And also, they put actual big strawberry chunks here. Can you see? There's the big red strawberry chunk over there. I like that. Finally, we might have a serious competitor to the Magnum and Ben & Jerry's and Häagen-Dazs, because this is really good. Look at the white chunk here. Is this maybe white chocolate? Let's see on the back. Yeah, it says here white chocolate balls 2.5%. So not only strawberries and cream, it's also white chocolate. So really good combination. Usually when they have white chocolate, it's too sweet, but here it's perfect. It's not too sweet, but not like a boring flavor. It's perfect amount of sweetness. I like that. Yep. This is really great ice cream. Even if you don't like the Baileys alcohol, I think you will like the Baileys ice cream. I don't know what this DMK Corporation is from Germany, but they know how to make a great ice cream. Thank you, Germans. And thank you, DMK Ace Corporation. The address, Munster Street, Everswinkel, Deutschland. I wonder if it's like a separate company, or is this ice cream company maybe owned by Nestle or Unilever or some other big food corporations. I hope it's like single owned private company, maybe like family company. That would be great. Support the family companies. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with this ice cream. Like, it's perfect in any way. Strawberry, maybe the best strawberry ice cream I've ever tasted, combined with the Bailey's traditional creaminess and add small piece of white chocolate balls. It's perfect ice cream. I don't know what can top this anymore. Like, this is on the same level as the Magnums and the Ben & Jerry's. Perfect ice cream in my opinion. There's nothing wrong with it. I rarely give this review, but this one is definitely getting 10 out of 10. You might be thinking I'm drunk because I gave 10 out of 10. Did I get drunk from eating this ice cream? I don't know, but it's really good. Thanks for watching this review, and thank you to DMK Corporation from Germany for making this ice cream, and thank you to Diageo for making Bailey's, the Bailey's cream. And leave a comment below if you tasted this yourself and if you like it or not. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, so I will be happy. Thanks for watching. 10 out of 10.